Yeah, guys, so what's up? Um, hello, hello. Yeah. All right. So for the short entry, I already entered around 21,840, right? At that resistances that you guys can see. So this one right here, right there, I'm seeing some momentum loss right around this area. Wait, I'll show you that. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, so regarding to, you guys know that I use indicators helping with me with my momentum. And right here, if you guys can spot this one, the histogram itself is trading downwards, right? But then if you see candle by candle, or even the week to week of the candles right here, okay, right there, yeah, both are not saying the same thing. So in other words, this is what we call, divergence. So it's just with the timing of the CPI, right? Release of the CPI right now. But yeah, CPI literally pushed the price all the way down, or like we can say it weakened the movement. So I got my close, which I really want to have, which is the 15-minute candle close below here. So what I need to have right now is, a couple of candles more staying below this, this line right here. Yeah, this one. That's what I need to have. So, just stay, what do you call this one? You guys are welcome to stay with me all night tonight, just watching this trade. Who knows, I might get out of the trade in a while, depends, the scalping position. Okay. Anyways, for questions, guys, yeah, I'm welcoming questions. If you have any questions, let's kill the time with that. Yeah. If you want some entry right now, yeah, if you can get an entry around this area, yeah, stop loss, keep your stop loss tight, because again, volatility right now is really high. due to the CPI. So, yeah, watch out for that one. Yeah, so these zones, yeah, right now on the lower time frame, there's a probability that we're gonna visit that. We're almost there actually. Yeah, almost there. It's like ticking up right around right here. All right, so let's go back watching the chart. Let's keep at 15 minutes. Mhm. All right, so welcome for those viewers right now from Medico Crypto or Crypto MD. You guys know him, right? Crypto MD. Have his own Discord channel, by the way. So if you guys are interested with that, what do you call this one? You guys can hit him up. Let me write down his Instagram. Just message him directly, okay? So he himself shorted also. Okay, so there you go, guys. Just hit this account up in Instagram, medic_crypto. Yeah, if you want to get in, is in his Discord again, because like this guy right here, Crypto MD. Yeah, so I'm not quite sure. Is his entry around 21,600? Yeah. Anyways, just contact him, explore his Discord. He have some good stuff in there. Oh, just now he shows up. So, what's the take profit? Take profit, to be honest, guys, depending on how you want to, because what is in control, the pressure right now, what we're having is really more to the downside. So, with that one said, but my target would be around here, yeah, which is around 21,098. But then again, like I said earlier, I might take my profit off early. Don't want to be greedy on that one. Just wait. So we have Let's see the 1 hour. How many? So we have 4 minutes before the 1 hour closes, and ideally we need to close below this trend line. That's it. Yeah. So let's go back on the 15. So someone asked, can we take an entry at the 800, 800? Yeah, for sure. Again, this is the zone that I am seeing right around here. 21, yeah, 790, 21, 800. But guys, keep the stop loss. I want to remind you again and again, stop loss around this area, 21, 900. Okay, 15-minute candle close of the 21, 900. Alright, so 3 minutes to go. Let's see how's the 1 minute are forming. So we're getting some rejections, which I really want to happen. Can you guys see? Some rejections right now on the 1 minute. So if you open this one or like see it in a line perspective, what we're actually having is something like, yeah, this one right here is a pure volatility only. Okay. So I want to see more continuation to the downside. Okay, or I'm expecting more continuation to the downside of this one. Can you imagine, guys? I'm literally live trading with everyone right now in YouTube. Live trading. Again, trade on your own risk. I have to put that one out there, okay? Give me a moment. All right, there we go. So again, trade on your own risk, guys. Yeah, my risk in here is very small due to the fact that we are again on the announcement of the CPI. Very volatile. You guys have seen this week, right? Can you imagine? This is a 1 minute candle, and we have the movement of the candle from here, 0.3 all the way to 54% on a minute candle. Literally, very volatile. All right, so we have Mark going on, popping up. What's up? What's up? Good evening. So we have 12 minutes, 10 minutes. 9 seconds before I guess the 30-minute candle close. Yeah, we have the 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How's that looking on the 15-minute? Very nice. I like that candle. Yeah. Okay, so it might hover a little bit, might hover around here. Let me try to draw that. Something like this. Yeah. Alright, so let's just simply watch on the 15 minute right here for our trade. By the way, guys, just wanna add in, okay? There's currently a really bad weather in my area. I'm not quite sure if you guys can hear the rain right now going on, but if there's any problem, with connection, that's because of it. Just letting you all know. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm from the south, more of in the mid south area. Yeah, you get it, like in the middle of Philippines, but on the south area. And I know those people who are really from the south, they have a low. I'm not quite sure. I guess it's low pressure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it's been raining whole day today, whole day. Somewhat, somewhat, yeah. But I've been to Cebu. Okay, I've been to Cebu, really nice place. Are you from Cebu? Yeah, people from Cebu. I've been in there. I miss the puso. I'm not quite sure if I said that one right. Puso, yeah, puso. All right, so we're having some really good move right now to the downside. 15-minute candle. Let me see the 1 minute. I want to see that. That's a nice rejection. So what I want to happen in here right now, guys, is a break of this low. So let's keep an alarm at that. Yeah, let's have that. Okay. So let's go with that. This is just an indication for me, you know, that my analysis throughout this ongoing trade is right. So just keeping me alerted. So if this one rings, okay, I'm on the right way. Let's continue. Yeah, the trade. Okay, so let's go back on 15 minutes. Oh, Baguio. I've been in Baguio more than 3 to 4 times already. I guess really good place to visit, especially summer and December, all the way to Sagada. Ganda din dun sa Sagada. Yeah. All right, so Kadu, what's up? We already took the entry. I got an entry around 21,840.9, and then if you were here a little bit earlier, I guess you would have managed to get in around here. I gave that one for everyone. This green zone that I drew earlier was a good entry also. We almost touched around that area almost, but now we are really pushing more to the downside right now. So if you want to take an entry, which I do not advise, because the risk is gonna be high, it would be around 1%. But I know that you know how to control the risk. I have taught you that. So just simply adjust it by then, okay, if you want to enter around here right now. So, but mind that my take profit that I'm really targeting would be around this level. You guys can see this orange line. So this trade would be around 5.73 is to 1 for me. So I'm about to win 5 times more than, if I lose. And for you, if you'll enter right now, that's a 1 is to 1 RR. So that's the thing. Anyway, so for those who have entered around at this point, right here, let me check your RR. Yeah, 2.5. That's a decent RR, yeah. 2.5. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, so this one I haven't posted this one in the Discord again due to the high risk that comes with it. What do you call that one? Due to the CPI also in it, so I haven't shared it. Only the ones that are high quality, a little bit safe to enter, especially for the beginners. Yeah, then I'll share that one out. But this one, these are some of the trades that you guys don't see now that I have a YouTube right now. I can do live now, more of this, so you guys can watch how I trade like real time, and some of the trades that I don't share outside before. Now you guys will be able to see that in here now. But yeah, I have another signal with the premium. It's also a short position, but a safer one. So just check that out. We have already discussed, yesterday also. You guys can check that in the YouTube channel. Oh, this is the beauty of YouTube. You guys can have the recorded live or discussions that I am doing. Unlike before when we were in the Zoom, right? It was so hard after that. If you miss it, you miss it. Because again, I do not take a recording. But now that I have this YouTube, it's really nice. Yeah, loving the live session with you, yeah? It's really nice. Okay, so I guess we're about to hit that alarm, 21,616. That is the level that I have to break right at the 1 minute chart, right? 1 minute chart. Well, thank you. Yeah, I hope it is really informative. You guys are literally hearing what's going on my thoughts during live trading, how I process my trades also, as the chart progresses. I'm getting more new data, all of the stuff. So is 21,450 your final TP? Depends, yeah, but it's kind of late now in Philippines, around like 10 p.m. And to be honest, guys, 21,600. I'm really happy with my profit right now. I'm running about 3.61 3.61% on my ROI. So yeah, I might get my, what do you call this one, my profits around here. Can be. So I'm expecting, if around 21,450, I'm expecting 6, 7, 8% profit on just a couple of, how many is this? Give me a moment. Where is this one? Okay. So I have my entry around this candle, which is around 9 p.m. But I entered around 3 minutes before the CPI announcement happened. So okay, right here, yeah, good 1 hour day trade, intraday type of trade. Yeah, 1 hour. If it progresses more, 1.5, 2 hour, yeah, good one. So let's see. I want to check the 3 minutes right now. How's it going? Did we touch it? Not quite. I haven't got alarm. Come on, break it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're on the right path, guys. Yeah, that's a really good one. I'm up like 4% on my trade. So 4% on my trade right now. Oops. Uh-huh. Okay. I guess I have to save this later. I'll do that later. Yeah, so 3 minutes. We have 24. I want to see the 1 minute. Perhaps we're seeing some support going on in there. Yeah, given that that is the last week point of this candle, you know. Yeah, we're getting some support in there. How's our MACD going? Yeah, we might get some retest to the upside. Mhm. Mhm. By the way, guys, let me know if the music is a little bit louder than it's supposed to be. Yeah, so let's watch the 15 minutes. How's it going? We have like 2 minutes before the candle close. Okay, so we have a question in here. How do you manage emotions on your trades? Um, that depends. that most of the emotions that I like to have is, you know, um, what do you call this? The adrenaline. Yeah, that's the word. The adrenaline on it when I do my scalping. But okay, how to manage your emotion really depends on how much your risk management is. Do you have a system on it? Because let me tell you, that is um, one of the greatest factor that really do affects our emotions when we trade. Isn't that right? It's like, just imagine you are trading way more than you should be. Ah, it's like the moment the trade, for example, like right around here right now. Let's say that this trade that I was holding goes a little bit around here, but then let's say I'm negative, like way above my pain threshold. Yeah, let's say that per trade, I'm comfortable losing, let's say, around $2,000 to $5,000. Yeah, but then now around at this point, I'm already seeing that $5,000. What would you feel, right? Especially if it goes more a little bit high. Now it's like 8,000, negative $8,000, and then you're not used to that. You get what I'm saying? And then the emotions then comes in. Yeah. So that's the one of the you know one of the key that I can give you. Um, Review your system regarding with your risk. Yeah. So you always fall with FOMO and greed. Yeah. Okay. So with that, what I can really say is have a system. So have a system. You have to have the discipline with that one, and that develops with time. So let's see how's this the next 15-minute candle closes. Ideally, I wanted to close below the line that we set the alarm, of course. But if it stays, I'll watch the lower time frame and perhaps like secure some profits. 4% grow my account under, couple of not a couple of minutes, but like in an hour or so. It's good already. Yo, alright, so we have a question in here. Is it true that taking early profits prevents you from developing your system and growing as a trader? So 50-50. Okay. There will be times, yeah, no, let's put it this way. What is your reason why you took your profits early? That's the main reason, yeah? Did you saw any momentum or like possible change of trend that is about to happen, or any other possible causes that is gonna go against your trade? Then yeah, it's much better to take your profits early. But when you're just simply taking profits, wherein like I want to take profits now because this makes up for my previous loss, or like let's say, what if you are in the fear of like, oh, what if it goes back to my entry, now I'm gonna lose all of this profit. So it really do depends, on the context. Like right now, for me, I have two level that I am watching, possibly that I'm gonna take a profit around here or around this level. So this right here, why is it a significant for me? It can literally be a point wherein, we can have a retest or a correction of this impulse to the downside. And that would be very late for me. That's the thing. And given that, again, we are at the CPI, volatility is really high, wherein, for a normal or beginner trader, you guys shouldn't be trading at least at all. You can just like simply observe how it moves, because this volatility, can you see how much it went down and literally went up? So imagine if you are, you FOMOed in and you saw, oh my goodness, I got the CPI, what do you call that, news, oh, it's gonna go more down, oh my goodness, it's going more down, and then right around here you format it and enter around at that point. Yeah, now market goes back up like that. What would you feel, right? So yeah, that's one thing. And then if we get a 15-minute candle close below here, yeah, I might extend my time and then like, you know have the 21,450. All right, so um, let's see. Let's see how. I guess we're finally gonna be having a 15-minute candle break in here. Let's see how that one goes in here. Yeah. All right, so we have minute and almost 30 seconds left to close. Yeah. All right, so we have let's see how this one goes in here. Oh, really, really nice. Let's see the lower time frame, how that one goes. Okay, so 9:17. I need the minute candle to close down in here and a couple more candle, you know, so we can officially call it this one a breakdown. So let me check my trade. Okay, I'm almost like 5% up. So how much left with the 15 minutes again? 2 minutes? No, a minute only. Okay, just a minute left. I need right here to close right now. We're running 5% profit on our trade. 21. Okay. 21,600. How's the 1 minute candle doing? Okay. I need this lower candle to be pushing more to the downside, or at least stay around like at this point. How's our momentum? Momentum is all in place. Okay. I don't really do watch RSI on the lower time frame. More of the macro. So let's see the minute 30. A minute 3. I mean, ooh, that's a really good one. Come on, let's push it more to the downside. Yeah, how's the minute 15? It should have been closed already. Okay, that's a good one. So, all right, so this one is done. Okay, I'm taking this one out. It's broken. Really good one. So I would just like to check how's the Fibonacci um, doing right here. During this full impulse. So we have the reaction right at the 0.618, and that is really proper, given that we have some couple of like reactions on the past few candles around. When was this? Yesterday 10 p.m. Alright, so I really want some action 0.618. Give me a touch around there. Might close my trade. I'm up like 5.5%. Oops, wait, I forgot to add my line right here. There you go. I need that reminder again, guys. It's like someone, tapping my back. You're doing right. Your analysis is right. Keep going, Come on, touch it. All right, so looking really good. We're up like Yeah, around 5.5%. We have a little bit of a pullback, which is again valid at this point. We have been quite extending for the past, yeah, almost like an hour and a half now. So we might get a decent pullback. Yeah. All right. So Mark, you don't understand the fib. Are you a premium student, or are you in the premium Discord? If you are, please watch the lessons. We have the lessons for the Fibonacci in there, both retracement and the what do you call the one? The trend one. All right. All right. So, can you shorted the RLC? Let me try to check this one. I'm gonna scan it, but don't take it as an advice, okay? By the way, are you doing scalping or day trading? 1.8. Okay, so this is the ideal take profit that for me, if this was the trade. All the way in here, we have the intersection of the higher OB and then the lower OB, which is around this point, which is also the Fibonacci of the 0.618. Okay, so you can 1.8982. Or if you want to be a little bit more conservative, take it around here, 1.9115. Even then, that is around a 2.81 RR, a really good one. Wait, let me adjust the one. Yeah, have the stop loss 2.2. Uh, yeah, around here. So entry around this point. Okay, not bad. So by the way, this one is another one for your entry. Similarly to what we were looking earlier at the Bitcoin. Remember I had the midline at the Bitcoin, which also denotes as my point for another point for my exit. Maximum I can tell you is around here. If you're just simply doing day trading. Okay. Okay, so what we're currently having, we're having that correction, you know. I guess I really do have to ride this trade now because I'm in its correction. Okay, so zero point 0.5. That's I'm expecting this level to reject around here, 0.618, and then in between of this, and then we'll have a continuation to the downside. Mhm. All right, so minute one, that's good one. Minute three, okay. 15, 30, an hour. Okay, everything looks so decent right now. Mhm. This is actually still looking bearish for me. I don't have any confirmation. Uh, Bitcoin is not flying back up yet. This is a correction, what I'm saying. So, see the green line that I have noted? That is around the 0.618 level and also a significant supply zone. Yeah, let me edit this one. It's a supply zone going on. Unless and until this one breaks, then I might close the trade as the day, as a trade go. What do you call this one? Yeah. Anyways, so I need a. Wait, I'll show you something. A, B, C. That can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's the play that I'm expecting to happen in here. Mhm. Oh, so you don't scalp then? Yeah. Now you're seeing it. So couple of rejection candles we're seeing right now. Let me try to zoom that in. Okay. Yeah, can you guys see this one? A couple of candles, rejection, rejection, rejection. And that also being at the zero point 0.5 of the Fibonacci, right? So let's see. 1 minute. Also have the tree. 15. Sorry guys. 15. What else? Mhm. Really, really high volatility. So that hits my stop loss right here, guys. Yeah. So again, this is one of the reason why I remember that I did not just simply put out a trade in premium. So right here, 0.5. Yeah, that was a $1 risk right there. Lost $1. I mean, 1% risk right here at this trade. Not bad. Oh, can you see this type of volatility? You guys are really seeing it right now, right? Exactly why is I don't recommend trading on the CPI announcement of the CPI. Yeah. And you have to keep your stop loss tight and in place. This is a very nice example for everyone in here. Everything was going on very, very nicely for us, right? And CPI hits. Now it'll come down a little bit, but then our stop loss is, it's already hit around this area. So we're done for the day. This is my last trade for the day. Tomorrow, let's try to do more of this. I'll do my trades live for everyone. Okay? Yeah, it's not quite sad. It's actually really educational for you. You guys are seeing it, how high the volatility of the CPI, and now you're getting some experience on that. So Oh, hello, hello. Sorry, my connection got off. Anyways, so yeah, Saint Alan was like, yeah, what is that? So this right here is the volatility of the CPI and yeah, volatility of crypto. And this is to show everyone, especially the beginners, the new ones right here, right? That this is not for the faint heart. Yeah. Can we short now? I do not recommend to short now, right now. No. This is gonna play more. So once this one happens, hitting the bottom, hitting top, I mean the long and the short, give it a little bit more time from there, like let's say 4 hours or so, then the market will start to settle down. Okay, once that settles down, so wherever way it is going, that I can tell you or I can assure you it's gonna continue normally from there. But now what you guys are really seeing is pure volatility. Okay, pure volatility. So you guys have, wait, where's my, no, not this one. Yeah, I got my entry around here. Can you guys see? It went 1.7.8 at my entry to 1.41 all the top. Luckily, we have the stop loss, that hits our, yeah, that stops our loss going more. That is the importance of stop loss, everyone. Okay, remember that. Yes, you wait. You need to wait for the candle to calm down. Okay. Exactly. Today's volatility was really bound to happen due to again, to this with the CPI. So if you guys wants to, take a position with Bitcoin, the safe one, I have put the entry stop loss and take profits, everything in the premium Discord. So later after this live, I'll try to put in the link, going to my premium, and then yeah, you guys can check it from there. If you're not in premium yet, alright? Okay, guys, so I guess that's it for tonight. I hope everyone learned this lesson. Okay, remember CPI, volatility, what is happening right now. You will be able to see all of this normally daily, especially when bull market happens. Right, so it was a fun night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll try to live again. I'll do live again, yeah, around this time again, perhaps, yeah. All right, so have a good night, everyone. Stay safe for everyone who are from the south. Yeah, stay safe. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.